Something you may not realize is every aiSage comes preloaded with BDM, our Bing Device Management System. Whether or not you choose to sign up for the service is up to you. However, before you make the decision, let's go through some key features that may be helpful for your business. One of the most critical features that BDM provides is it allows you to remotely deploy applications, such as the AWS solutions I mentioned earlier, to aiSage whenever you need to. From the BDM portal, all you need to do is first register and upload the application you want to add to the portal, add the application in the policies menu, and the application will start to be added to each of your network aiSages. BDM also sports a really helpful feature that allows for remote recovery if a problem ever occurs at the user's end. For instance, if one device in your network ever experiences an error, not only will you know almost immediately when it happens, all it takes is a couple of clicks to diagnose and attempt a recovery of the device from the BDM portal. Again, these are just a couple of features that BDM can enable on your aiSage device. To learn more about aiSage, BDM, and how they can help your business, feel free to contact us at aisage@acer.com. We look forward to working with you.